Question number 9 is a question of ratio, proportions and variations. And again, it's an easy question. It's just that there will be some calculations, some squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots you need to remember for this question. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So question says that the cost of an iron ball varies directly as the square root of the cube of its weight. So let's write the statement for the cost. So cost is directly proportional to the square root of the cube of its weight. So let's say C is the cost, that is proportional to weight raised to the power cube and then square root. So I'll write it as 3 upon 2. So we can say that cost will be equal to K, the constant, W raised to the power 3 by 2. So C is the cost, W is the weight, and K is the constant of proportionality, right? Now, the three balls which are given in the ratio of their weights as 64, 81 and 144. So let us assume these values as the weight. Okay, so 64 plus 81 plus 144. If these three balls are combined, so the sum is coming out to be 289. Okay, so if I'll combine these three balls, the net weight of the ball is 289 and the cost is 98,260. So I can make an equation which is 98,260 is equal to K, and weight here is the combined weight 289 whole raised to the power 3 upon 2. Okay, so now you should know what is the square root of 289. It's a perfect square, and then after that you will get a value of 17. What will be the cube of 17? Okay, so these are some calculations that you must do orally. Okay, so it will be better if you remember the squares at least up till 25 and the cubes up till 20, right? Now upon solving this equation, you will get the value of K as 20, right? Now the question is asking, find the sum of the costs of the lightest and the heaviest of the smaller iron balls. So lightest, the weight was 64 and the heaviest, the weight was 144. So we have to find the cost, the combined cost of these two. Okay, so the combined cost of these two, I can write the expression as K into 64 raised to the power 3 by 2 plus K into 144 raised to the power 3 by 2. Okay, right? Now 64 under root of this number, under root of 64 is 8. 8 cube is 512. So it will be 512K plus under root of 144 is 12 and the cube of 12 is 1728. So the total cost will be 2240K. Put the value of K as 20. So 2240 multiplied by 20, and this should be the total cost. So that is 44800. So 44800 should be the answer. Looking at this one among the options, yes, the correct answer should be option A. And yes, it is. Alright, so that was pretty easy question. Just a little bit of calculations might bother all of you, but if you'll do your homework before you go into the examination hall, then these things will look very simple for all of you.